In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money dropshipping jewelry with Shopify. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to add a new stream of income, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up your Shopify store and sourcing products, all the way to marketing and optimizing for sales. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is create a Shopify account. If you don't already have one, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Just head over to Shopify's website, and they'll guide you through signing up for a free trial. This trial gives you a great opportunity to explore the platform and its features at no cost. Once you're signed up, you'll need to set up your online store. Spend some time selecting a name that's not just catchy but also memorable and relevant to your brand. Remember, your store's identity starts with its name. Next up, we'll move on to choosing a theme for your Shopify store. Shopify offers a range of free and paid themes, so take your time to explore them and select one that best suits your aesthetic and functional needs. When you have your theme, you can begin customizing the store. Pay close attention to your product pages, as they'll be the centerpiece of your store. High-quality images and detailed descriptions are a must. You want your potential customers to feel confident in what they're purchasing. With your store looking great, the next step is sourcing products. For this, you can use apps like Oberlo or Spocket, which integrate seamlessly with Shopify. These tools allow you to browse for products directly within the app and add them to your store with just a few clicks. Focus on jewelry that's trending or has a unique edge. It's essential to ensure the suppliers you choose have reliable shipping capabilities and high-quality products because customer satisfaction is key to repeat business. Now that you have your products, it's time to price them strategically. Consider your costs and desired profit margins. A good practice is to research competitors to see how they're pricing similar items. This way, you can price your products competitively while ensuring you make a decent profit. Moving on to marketing, you'll want to target your audience effectively. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are fantastic for promoting jewelry, with their visual-centric layouts. You can also explore running paid advertisements or collaborating with influencers to reach a broader audience. Lastly, don't forget about ongoing optimization. Regularly review your store's analytics to understand what products are performing well and which might need a bit more love in terms of marketing or perhaps a pricing adjustment. Engaging with your customers through email marketing or personalized offers can enhance their shopping experience and encourage future sales. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to dropshipping jewelry with Shopify. Through a mixture of strategic planning and consistent effort, you'll be well on your way to a successful dropshipping venture. Happy selling!